Litikulia rero niguo muwaziri bw'ekisemi meyensi ya Kenya omusike Julius Migos Ogamba aba agakubwatesia barai bande aso guchengira esukuru ya Nyambaria ase egwikia emyaka 51 gose 66 korwa yabeteke guchakiwa ase abagakobokera boigo ogokorebia ase amasomo ase esukuru eyo gukwana chinga kichicho omusike Migosi igabirega gwakira eserikali ya bono ngambia mono nabigo kuyakire koko ase merememia eyo egenderete gwikirania imeyensi ya Kenya na kuyakire koko eromonyene asabireka gotebabuna nigo buraibwaye ase wizara y'ekisemi bwabeire borobia naboigo gukwana ekerekyo nigo omubunge bwebunge ya Kitutu Masabo musike Clive Gisairo abeire igakumubulia omusike Migosi kwana kibuna alionsi sector y'ekisemi iganitie ngwenekia aikiraniwe asobwekirano.
Tena wasabanga mfumo wa siasa unakuja leo tu kuja siasa lakini mababa ngaini mwa gentoki ikiara wono na chira mwande biri malpa pasol era magunja kwa mi narwe mwate chibese chingengo chikurusi kali asa serikali ono ni ndo serikali imenya ole chibese icho ngontiga molembero rombala terendagera gura mwata ngano ni chukuru chinde ga ganchi bwato bokongusiga mwata banga kindalia ngire nengo boge katali digera tukini chukuru chinde abali mu baito banyole chi promotion tali ebitabu bigira abana baito school chila laboratory chikoleki chirosifu ebinte ino cha Migosi nindusia base anu munkorre ebinte byonse kali asa serikali ngoirusi bono lenda bantu baminto nki moko bangi mugutuma nelito gocha tukwana mwake kere ntuli abana baino ngo gae go tele ngusi bono mogo itamutigo yose omuntu abana kero gwata abana yuko bakagwa abangina tobere asa serikali na serikali na erero ikugamba na nere gucha kugamba ituba litulenga oturatabenga soimi tutagitero so asiriki asiri
challenge that needs to be addressed, and this is caused about by the pending bills within the ministry that are affecting the textbook distribution in grade 10. Most schools are having this challenge, and this is an issue we need to collectively address, both through your ministry and the Committee of Education in Parliament, to ensure all pending bills are addressed and cleared so that these kids do not come and stay in school, just researching from their telephones. Lastly, you are here because of infrastructure. CS, we are not from a lesser God. The issue of infrastructure is quite a pain in this nation. School infrastructure. We've had a challenge as a committee trying even to get the list of beneficiary on infrastructure funding. Sometimes this is hard to come by. CS, this is something we'd like you to put your foot down and ensure that there is equitable distribution of school infrastructure funds to all parts of this country. The child who is in Nyambaria is not from Kitutu Masaba. The child here